Today's video is all about our puppy dog. Brownie, wait! I'm not done with you yet. Dog. Her name is Brownie. And this YouTube channel is called My Mom, but it's actually supposed to be Happy Brownie 123. Remember that, it's Happy Brownie 123. This puppy right now. That is Brownie. Brownie, say hi.
Hi, Gabe.
Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi. Say hello. That's my iPad.
Hi.
Say hello. Puppy. Say hello, Brownie. She's begging for food. Alright, I'll give you some food, Brownie.
You gotta tell her to do tricks like you sit down and
She is sitting down. She deserves that piece of cheese. Look at that cute little puppy face. It doesn't get any cuter than that. Her little puppy eyes. Little cuteness in her face. And that is basically our puppy named Brownie.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, Mom, did I tell you? That
don't put me under. You hear me?
Okay, the channel is called your name. It's not called Happy Brownie 123. If you knew that.
Daddy's gonna change it. Because it's supposed to be Happy Brownie 1, 2, 3.
It's called El Gonzalez.
It should not be.
Woo! Woo! Hey, don't follow me, dog. Because I want to follow you. I'm going to kick you, kick you, kick you.
Brownie.
We are going to sell her. Just kidding. If you were, we'd sell her for $255. Actually, just because she's so cute, $325. Why are you sitting on there?
Get off of it.
I'm posting this on YouTube. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!